take a sample of the water at least 6 inches deep into the pool. So I fill it and take it down to about 6 to 8 inches. Then obviously we put the water into this bottle. So, but I give it a swill out first, just to clean it. And I've got pool water in there. And then you'll see a line on the bottle itself, a little white line, and that's the amount of water we put into it. If we go a bit over the top, it's pretty easy, just flick it until we got it level into the marker on there. And then we place the lid on top. But always clean the glass as well to get our fingerprints off it, because of any oil on your fingers. So we like to make the glass as clean as possible, so we just damp it down. Maybe switch on the tester. We try not to touch the bottle with our fingers. And then we have an indicator here where actually it goes into this mechanism here. We line it up so it's in a straight line, straight onto there. And then we press the left hand button. It's already on CH. So we hit this button here, and what we're doing, we're just clarifying sorry.
So I'll put that back on.
So we calibrated the first batch to 000, 0.00, and we take it back out. And the first tablet we put in is DPD1, which is that one there. It's normally written up DPD1.
Yep.
And without touching the tablet, we must drop it straight into the vessel. We then use our spatula, whatever you want to call it. I like to clean it into the water that we're using. And then we break up the tablet itself. It normally takes about a minute to dissolve properly.
I see a chemistry teacher who know all about this and osmosis.
Oh, absolutely, yeah. Sometimes some tablets take a bit longer than others.
Put that back on.
Once we've dissolved the tablet, which takes about a minute to a minute and a half in total, then we reline it up. And then we press the right hand button, which gives us our first reading of free chlorine, which that reading is at 0.62. On our water treadmill record, the first thing we do here is record our first one. First of all, the time, which is now 2 o'clock, so 1400. Well, I initial it with my name and then the reading at 0.62. And that's our first reading.
Back on then.
So take the top off and then add on DPD3 without touching the tablet. And again, clean our stirrer, and this will give us our reading of total chlorine, where we break up the tablet again. Right, again, take my oil from my fingers and fingerprints off the glass with a dry cloth, reline it up, and then press the right hand to get our total chlorine result up, which is at 1.75. That's the chloride sorted out. On here, to get our combined chlorine, we subtract the free chlorine with the total chlorine, which gives us our combined chlorine result.
put that back on. Right.
Now for the pH result, we clean the glass out again with the pool water. Add on the water that we've saved from the pool from the beginning, so it's always going to be the same. Bring it up to our line, which is indicated on the bottle. Dry the bottle off again, taking out my fingerprints. And then on our fine test, we press the middle button up to pH. And then we put the bottle back in to calibrate to 0.00. So, take the bottle out, and this indicates for our red, for our pH, phenol red. Again, without touching the tablet, it's straight into the bottle, clean again, because it will have some residue of the DPD 1 and 3 on it. And once again, we break up the tablet. About another 30 seconds to a minute. I do say roughly up to 2 minutes until it's completely settled, but these tablets are very good these days, they dissolve quite quickly. Reline the bottle, press for the result on the right hand side button to give us our pH reading of the pool, 7.07. Making a mess of it. That's it. We then indicate the colour of the water as we see it. We can either have crystal clear, blue but lifeless, blue grey, grey, grey green and green. And we tend to choose which colour we think the pool is. And I would say it's more of blue green. And as we don't have that, I would go for more blue but lifeless, because I can't see to the bottom 100%, so I'm going for blue lifeless. And how many dogs we had in the pool up to this point, which is 4. And that's our test complete.
Thank you.